Gwendoline Christie, we know her, we love her. From Game of Thrones to the Sandman, she always brings it. But getting ready for the Sandman was next level. She totally transformed her body and mind. We're talking about dedication. Gwendoline worked hard and got amazing results. Let's dive into her fitness journey and learn her secrets. This wasn't just about looking a certain way, it was about becoming Lucifer. Gwendoline wanted to embody the character's power, so she focused on building strength and endurance. And it shows. She completely owned that role. Her transformation is seriously inspiring. It proves that with hard work, anyone can achieve their goals. So let's break down her routine and see how we can apply it to our own lives. Gwendoline's fitness routine was no joke. She trained 5 times a week, no excuses. And guess what? Height training was her secret weapon. That's high-intensity interval training, guys. It's all about short bursts of intense exercise followed by short rest periods. Why is height so effective? Because it torches calories and boosts your metabolism. It's a super efficient way to burn fat and build muscle. Gwendoline knew this, and she went all in. Her Hyatt workouts were a mix of cardio and strength exercises. Think burpees, mountain climbers, jump squats, you know the drill. She pushed herself hard during those intense intervals. And that's the key to Hyatt, folks. You gotta give it your all. But then you get a short break to catch your breath. This type of training is challenging, no doubt. But the results speak for themselves. Just look at Gwendoline. HIIT was a big part of Gwendoline's routine. High-intensity interval training, or Hyatt, is known for its efficiency in burning fat and improving cardiovascular health. Gwendoline loved the challenge it presented and the results it delivered, but she didn't stop there. She knew that to truly build a powerful physique, she needed to incorporate a variety of training methods. She knew that strength training was essential for building a powerful physique. Lifting weights wasn't just about getting stronger. It was about sculpting her body and enhancing her overall fitness. And let's be honest, Lucifer is all about power. Playing such a commanding character required her to embody that strength both physically and mentally. So, Gwendoline hit the weights room and focused on compound exercises. These exercises are crucial because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making her workouts more efficient and effective. These exercises work for multiple muscle groups at the same time. This not only saves time but also ensures a balanced and comprehensive workout. They're super effective for building overall strength. By focusing on these movements, she could maximize her gains and improve her functional fitness. We're talking squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses, the big ones. These foundational exercises are the cornerstone of any serious strength training program. She also incorporated isolation exercises to target specific muscle groups. These exercises allowed her to fine-tune her physique and address any imbalances. This helped her sculpt her physique and achieve that incredible definition. The combination of compound and isolation exercises gave her a well-rounded and aesthetically pleasing body. Bicep curls, tricep extensions, calf raises, you name it. Each exercise played a role in her overall development. Gwendoline's strength training routine was comprehensive and tailored to her goals. She made sure every session counted, focusing on both strength and endurance. Remember, building strength isn't just about aesthetics. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. It's about feeling good in your own skin. The confidence that comes from being strong and fit is unparalleled. It's about having the power to take on anything. Whether it's a challenging role or a personal goal, strength training equips you with the resilience to succeed. And that's exactly what Gwendoline achieved. Through dedication and hard work, she transformed her body and her life. Gwendoline's training wasn't all about intensity and pushing limits. She understood the importance of balance. That's why she incorporated yoga and cardio into her routine. Yoga helped her improve her flexibility, balance, and mindfulness. It's a fantastic way to stretch your muscles, calm your mind, and find your center. Gwendoline found that yoga helped her connect with her body and release stress. But she didn't shy away from cardio either. She knew that it was essential for her cardiovascular health. So she added in regular runs and bike rides to keep her heart pumping and her endurance levels high. By combining HIIT, strength training, yoga, and cardio, Gwendoline created a well-rounded fitness routine. It addressed all aspects of her physical health and helped her achieve incredible results. Section 5. Fueling the transformation: Gwendoline's clean diet. Now let's talk about food. It's the cornerstone of any transformation journey. Because you can't outrun a bad diet, right? Gwendoline knew this. She understood that exercise alone wouldn't cut it. She completely overhauled her eating habits to fuel her transformation. Out went the junk food, and in came the wholesome, nutritious options. She switched to a clean and nutritious diet that focused on whole, unprocessed foods. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins became her staples. Protein was her best friend. It played a crucial role in her diet. She made sure to eat plenty of lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and beans. These foods helped her build and repair muscles. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles. It's the building block of a strong, healthy body. And when you're training as hard as Gwendoline was, you need all the protein you can get. Protein shakes and bars were also part of her routine. Vegetables were another staple in her diet. They were the colorful, nutrient-dense powerhouses she relied on. She loaded up on leafy greens, broccoli, peppers, and all sorts of colorful veggies. These foods were packed with essential nutrients. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are vital for overall health and well-being. They provide the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. A diet rich in vegetables supports everything from your immune system to your skin health. And don't forget about healthy fats. They are just as important. Gwendoline made sure to include healthy fats in her diet, understanding their role in maintaining good health, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are essential for brain health and hormone production. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, energy levels, and overall well-being. They also help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Gwendoline's diet was all about nourishing her body from the inside out. She focused on balance and variety. She focused on eating real food that made her feel good and fueled her workouts. Her clean diet was the foundation of her incredible transformation. Section 6. The power of hydration. We all know that water is important, but when you're pushing your body to the limit, hydration is an absolute must. Gwendoline understood this. She made sure to drink at least 2 liters of water every single day. Staying hydrated is crucial for so many reasons. It helps regulate your body temperature, transports nutrients, flushes out toxins, and keeps your joints healthy. When you're dehydrated, your performance suffers. You feel sluggish, your muscles cramp, and your recovery is slower. Gwendoline made hydration a priority throughout the day. She carried a water bottle everywhere she went and made sure to sip on water consistently. She knew that proper hydration was just as important as her workouts and her diet. Section 7. Mindfulness, the key to mental and physical well-being. In this section, we explore how mindfulness can transform not just your body, but your mind and emotions as well. Gwendoline's transformation wasn't just physical. It was a holistic change that encompassed every aspect of her being. It was mental and emotional as well. She found strength in her mind and clarity in her emotions. She knew that true well-being starts from within. This inner peace radiated outward, affecting her entire life. That's why she made mindfulness a non-negotiable part of her routine. It became as essential as eating or sleeping. She practiced mindfulness every single day. It was her anchor in a busy world. Whether it was through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or mindful walking, or simply taking a few moments to connect with her breath and be present in the moment. These practices grounded her. Mindfulness helped her calm her mind, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. It was a sanctuary she could always return to. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can lead to weight gain and other health problems. This can be detrimental to your overall well-being. Mindfulness helps lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation. This is crucial for maintaining a balanced life. This is so important for overall health and well-being. It's not just about the body, but the mind and spirit too. Gwendoline found that mindfulness not only improved her mental health, but also enhanced her physical performance. It was a game changer. It helped her focus better during her workouts, recover faster, and stay motivated on her journey. Mindfulness was the key to unlocking her full potential. Section 8. A holistic approach to transformation. Gwendoline's transformation was the result of a holistic approach. She didn't just focus on one aspect of her health, she addressed her physical, mental, and emotional well-being. And that's what made her journey so successful. She combined intense workouts with restorative practices like yoga and mindfulness. She fueled her body with nutritious foods and made hydration a top priority. She listened to her body, rested when she needed to, and celebrated her progress along the way. Gwendoline's journey teaches us that true transformation is about more than just physical changes. It's about creating a healthy and balanced lifestyle that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. Section 9. Conclusion: Inspiration for your own journey. Gwendoline Christie's transformation for the Sandman is truly inspiring. It shows us that with hard work, dedication, and a holistic approach, anything is possible. She completely transformed her body and mind, and she did it by embracing a challenging fitness routine, a nutritious diet, and mindfulness practices. Remember, you don't have to be a Hollywood star to achieve amazing results. Gwendoline's journey is proof that we all have the power to transform our lives. So find what works for you, set your goals, and go after them with everything you've got.